pandemic in Beijing and also give you the information regarding disease prevention and control and also take some of your questions. Yesterday, we have received 2 imported new confirmed cases. No new local transformed cases, no suspected cases, and no asymptomatic cases. So Beijing so far has 78 days in a row, no new cases reported. Since the outbreak of the epidemic, so far Beijing has reported locally 759 cases. Imported cases totaled 181. Right now, we still have 3 people hospitalized. So far, the overall situation is well managed towards a good trajectory. A joint mechanism initiated the emergency plan to implement the prevention and control measures, and we right now also have a steady progress in bringing back the normal flights commercially. So we have 8 countries and 9 direct routes for the flights. So far, we have received 61 flights overseas, totaling 8,868 people. So the pandemic is the most spreading epidemic, and that is also the fast spreading, a widely infection, and also hardest one to control. That is a very big and unprecedented public health threats. So for Beijing, we have implemented the arrangements made by CBC Central Convenient State Council, as well as the directions made by General Secretary Xi Jinping. We always put people's health and safety as our top priority, mobilizing all available resources across the board, and also we release the 4 responsible systems and also light technology to take a leading role in order to roll out the measures in a more effective and efficient way. So far, we have received a good result, and also we have seen a good progress in maintaining the spread of the disease as well as promoting the economic and social development. And talking about the financial side, we have also the lesson or the less taxation. For GDP, actually, we also have reached a 0.1% increase year-on-year, and also this is the first time for this year we have seen the number from red to black. So we have seen a good momentum in the economic and social development with the restoration of the economic and social activities. This afternoon, I just came back from the walking activities. Actually, this is the co-organized by the China overseas associations. So it attracted more than 200 foreign friends from 80 countries to join these activities. And our friends from Romania said that although the pandemic is still threatening the whole world overseas, people, especially our foreign people, right now can take these activities in Beijing, sending a clear message to the whole world. So right now, the whole world actually at a very crucial moment in terms of dealing with the pandemic. We still have the threats brought by the imported cases. We should never slacken off our efforts, and we should not relax our measures in order to prevent the cases imported and further spreading inside Beijing. So we will maintain our good achievements we got so far, and we should also to build the network to curb the spread. We will also further tighten our efforts to control the overseas flights, make sure that we can do a good management on each DA ports or the stations, make sure from the gate of the nation to the gate of each household is well protected. And that same measures will also apply to the cold chain, supply chain, as well as the production chain. So for all the practitioners involved should do a good disinfection work, especially to the packaging. So we will not only focus on the disease prevention and control, we will also focus on the further promoting the economic and social development. We will promote everything we can to restore the operation of the market, companies, make sure that we focus on the 6 securities and 6 stabilities. So we will further implement the decisions made by the General Secretary Xi Jinping in order to achieve the high-quality development and also establish the platform to achieve so. And we will further to streamline the administration and also to do a good service to the talents and make sure that we will bring the new drivers to boost the economic and social development in order to merge a new trajectory for the Beijing's development. And we talk about the fall and winter, actually also the season for the seasonal flu to happen, and we will do a good job in order to take a good care of our people and also implement the patriotic hygiene campaign. And we'll also call on everyone to keep your hand hygiene, wear masks, conduct less public gatherings, and also conduct ventilation. Take care of yourself. With us today, we invite Mr. Liu Xiaofeng from Beijing CDC. And I will give the floor to Mr. Liu to introduce the imported cases. Friends from the media, good afternoon. From 0 to 24 o'clock, October 23rd, we received 2 newly reported cases reported. Now I'll give you the more details regarding these 2 cases. Case 1. 46-year-old man from Sichuan originally worked in Pakistan and take CA946 from Pakistan to Beijing, arrived at Beijing International Airport on October 8th, and at the custom he got tested and also directly sent to the hotels for quarantine. On the same day, and he received a report result negative. But during the quarantine period, he showed a pain in his throat. And on the October 22nd, he got another test with a throat swab. So he transferred to the Dita hospital by the negative pressure ambulance. And on the October 23rd, he had the results positive, and also the double-checked is also positive results. So it's confirmed as the COVID-19 cases and it's the mild symptom. Case 2, a 51-year-old man, also from Sichuan originally, and worked in Pakistan and take the same flight, CA946, arrived in Beijing from Pakistan and also sent to the hotel for quarantine. On the same day, he tested negative, but also during the quarantine period, and he showed the symptoms. And on the October 22nd, he also tested the nucleic acid test with a positive result, and also transferred to Dita Hospital by the negative ambulance. And on October 23rd, he double-checked also the positive results. So he's confirmed the COVID-19 cases with the normal symptoms. So this is the two imported cases, and right now before they didn't have any close contacts because they quarantined directly from the airport to the hotels, and also the hotel rooms already been disinfected. Thank you very much. Now the floor is open. Please identify your media affiliation before asking questions.
谢谢主持人，我是北京广播电视台的记者，我想问一下市疾控中心的刘主任。
With BTV, my question to Mr. Liu. We found that recently we have seen the confirmed cases importedly, not only in Beijing but also in other provinces. So what's your suggestion to the people's personal protection? Thank you. As we know, right now the global pandemic is still on the rise. Some countries already seen the second wave. So the preventing the imported cases right now is still the top of our agenda. So I would like to call on everyone to conduct less outings, and also we discouraged people to conduct trips to these high-risk countries. I'd also like to call on everyone's attention. And first, if you need to go to these certain countries, please pay attention to the destinations, disease prevention and control measures, and also please protect your employees who need to go to that country. And also please monitor their body health and also educate them in order to let them protect themselves well and also monitor themselves. And also if they found any symptoms, they can report it to the medical institution. For the construction companies, you also need to make sure that a less density in the dormitories, conduct less gatherings. And third, for the overseas students or the people need to work overseas, please pay attention to the local disease prevention and control information, and also please wear masks, keep your hand hygiene, less public gathering, and keep social distancing, and also conduct less outing. If you showed any symptoms, please protect yourself and also report yourself to the nearby medical hospitals or institutions. And also we now encourage people to conduct overseas trips. And also please take the nucleic acid test so you can know better of your health condition. And if you need to take a flight, please wear masks throughout your whole flight time, and also to apply to the customs and also follow the guidance made by the destinations. And during that 14-day quarantine, please also monitor closely your body condition. If you show any symptoms, please report it to the authorities and also go to the medical institutes. Thank you. Thank you very much. And also thank you our friends from the media. Thank you all. And this is the end of the press conference.